biggest challenge for the bus industry at the moment is technology disruptors. There are a lot of different technology pieces coming into the sector and causing a bit of a fluster. And the challenge for bus operators is navigating that, understanding what's going to work and what's not going to work, and finding someone to partner with. Trapeze as a company partners with public transport operators. We provide technology solutions to make it easier to run your business more effectively. We also bring new technologies to the market to enable our customers, our partners, to be at the forefront of technology. The technology solutions that we provide are solely focused on the bus industry. We're tailor-made for bus. We have partners across the globe and we're able to take feedback from them, the authorities they work for, and the challenges they're facing, and consolidate that into a solid roadmap for our technology. It's great, we can bring it to local markets and really influence the way that transport is served to the local communities.